Hey there, my handsome and pretty little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobras Nest. For those of you who are new, my name is Mignon Cobra and I make minimalism videos. So today's video is going to be another makeup video, and that is come clean my makeup with me. So without further ado, let's just get to the video. Let's get it, let's go. Woo. So I'm in one of those moods, it's the weekend, and I'm just like, I want to clean my makeup. So I just cleaned my brushes, and I'll show you guys that right now. I just finished wiping down my brushes, so I've organized them by like my whites and my blacks. So there they are. This puff I think is probably on its last end, and then I think I'm probably going to change to a new puff, and that's the box that they go in. So that's also drying. I washed that, I cleaned that, so everything is fresh and ready for the week. Yes, love it. And it just occurred to me that I was like, while I'm organizing and cleaning and wiping down my makeup, I could do that with you guys. So yeah, let's take a look. So this is what my makeup is looking like right now. It's right here and it's right here. So we're just gonna like take a disinfectant spray and a tissue, and we're just gonna wipe everything down. So yeah. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. That was really fun to film. My makeup is clean. Ow. My makeup is clean and it's feeling really good. As I mentioned, my collection is really small. I know I have some pieces here that I said I was going to declutter and I didn't end up decluttering. You guys know that I have problems letting go of stuff, so I'm doing my best, guys. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!